Growing families need recreation, and this pool has it all. The rectangular ultra-frame pool is the perfect shape for pool games, swimming laps, volleyball, and just plain relaxing. The fun starts when you open the box. Strong D-shaped frame parts slide into place and lock automatically, creating a pool that's much stronger than standard metal frame pools with no tools needed. The tough laminated liner is built to last for years. This is a beautiful pool that's ready for family and friends.